In previous video, we had seen how to obtain decimal number equivalent binary, octal and hexadecimal number. Now this is the representation of decimal 26.6 into binary, octal and hexadecimal. Now we will see second category of number conversion, that is other numbering system to decimal numbering system. For result confirmation, we will go with same example. Let we are given 11010.1001 in binary, which is to be converted in its equivalent decimal. Before starting with actual conversion, we will see how we interpret the value of any number. Let we are given 365.25 in decimal. Then as we know, the value of any number is depending upon the digits the number is comprised of and the weightage assigned to the position the digits are located to. Now the weightage of position where the 2 is located is 10 raised to minus 1, and the weightage which is assigned to the position where 5 is located is 10 raised to minus 2, since it is forming the fractional part. Then 5 is located at the position with weightage 10 raised to 0. 6 is located at the position with weightage 10 raised to 1. 3 is located at the position with weightage 10 raised to 2. So the value can be calculated as by multiplying the digit with respective weightage assigned to that position where the digit is located to. So 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 dot 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 3 into 10 square is 100 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 is 10 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 is 1 dot. This could be written as 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100. 3 into 100, 300 plus 60 plus 5, which is 365. By solving this, we could have dot 25. So this is the value of given decimal. So similar concept we have to apply to all numbering systems. Now this we are going to write again dot 1001. Now with this 0 is at position 2 raised to 0. The weightage assigned to this position is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. The weightage assigned to this position is 2 raised to 3. The weightage assigned to this position is 2 raised to 4. For fractional part, we have to consider the negative power starting with minus 1. This 1 is located at the position with weightage 2 raised to minus 1. This 0 at 2 raised to minus 2. Similarly, this at 2 raised to minus 3. Whereas 1 is at position 2 raised to minus 4. Now in order to calculate its value, we have to multiply the digit and the weightage which is assigned to that position where digit appears. Now 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0 point 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. Now 1 into 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 raised to 3 is 8. 0 into anything 0. 2 raised to 1 is 2 dot, this could be written as 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2 raised to 4, which is equivalent of 26 point. After solving this, we will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16. If we solve this, we will get 0.56. So this is what the decimal equivalent of given binary. Then coming back to the octal numbering system, the given octal number is 32.4631 and we have to find its equivalent decimal. So we will write this as 32.4631. Then find out the weightages which are assigned to the position where these digits are placed. 2 is at location 8 raised to 0, 3 is at 8 raised to 1, 4 at 8 raised to minus 1, 6 at 8 raised to minus 2, 3 at 8 raised to minus 3, whereas 1 is at 8 raised to minus 4. Then the value can be calculated as by taking the multiplication of digit and the weightages which are assigned to the position where this digit is placed. So 3 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0 point, 4 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 6 into 8 raised to minus 2 plus 3 into 8 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 4. 3 into 8 raised to 1 gives us 24. 8 raised to 0 is 1. 2 ones are 2. This could be written as 4 by 8 plus 6 by 8 square plus 3 by 8 cube plus 1 by 8 raised to 4. Then this will give us 26 point. After solving this, we will get 599 base to the 10. So this is the decimal equivalent of given octal number. Then coming to the hexadecimal, 1A.999, this is the given hexadecimal which is to be converted into decimal. Then A is at position, A is at the position which has got weightage 16 raised to 0. This has got weightage 16 raised to 1. This has 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 3. So this becomes 1 into 16 raised to 1 plus A into 16 raised to 0 dot 9 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 9 into 16 raised to minus 2 plus 9 into 16 raised to minus 3. So 16 raised to 1 is 16, 16 ones are 16 plus 16 raised to 0 is 1, 1 into 10, 10 ones are 10. This could be written as 9 by 16 plus 9 by 16 square plus 9 by 16 cube. So this results in 26 point. After solving it, we will have 5998 base to the 10. So this is the decimal equivalent of given hexadecimal. Now you must have noticed that we have converted integers back to the original integer value 26, 26, but with fractional part we lost the precision. Instead of getting 0.6, we obtained some approximate to 0.6, that is 0.56, 0.599, 0.59998. The reason is that when we converted 0.6 into other numbering system, we performed multiplication for certain number of times. Probably till this step we found the fraction which causes the repetition of sequence. Here we found 0.6, okay, which may cause the repetition of 1001. We stop the multiplication. Okay. Similar to this, when we found 0.6, we stop the multiplication. Here also when we found the repetition, we stop this multiplication. So this resulted in losing the precision on converting it back to the decimal. If you have not watched a video on decimal to other numbering system conversion, do watch it, then you will understand this clearly. The more fractional digits are considered, more the accuracy we will have. Thank you.